welcome to my channel Naina Duggu. How are you all? Today I came with a new topic, that is how to do addition in easy way. When I was in first class, I faced problem while learning additions. So my mom taught me one poem. With the help of this poem, we can learn addition easily. Let's start the poem. Adds up to 9, everything is fine. 10 or more, take the extra next door. Friends, repeat with me. Adds up to 9, everything is fine. 10 or more, take the extra next door. Okay. Friends, this method is called as learning by playing or doing by playing. First line. Add up to 9. Everything is fine. For this, I am taking this example. 42 plus 36. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 is less than 9. Now everything is fine. So everything is fine. Next, 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Answer is 78. Next, I am taking next line. 10 or more, take the extra next door. Okay. For this example, I am taking this. 67 plus 24. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 is more than 9. First number is ones. Second number is tens. Ones I am taking here and tens I am taking here. Carrying here. Next, 6 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 9. Answer is 91. I hope you understand this poem. Please do like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.